This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, very good morning to all. So in last session we discussed about CSS selectors. There are a lot of categories are there. So in this I talk about simple selectors. I think you have an idea how can we use this simple selectors category. They are going to be come under ID and a class and element name. So something name of the element. So these are all come under simple selectors. The only thing you have to understand about a selector, in a document we may have many number of elements. From this many number of elements I want to find an element by filtering the elements. There may be a lot of paragraph tags are there with a lot of IDs. There may be a lot of divisions are maybe there with a lot of IDs or classes or whatever it may be, but ultimate goal of selector is identify the element from the document to design. That's what ultimate goal of the selector. Let us talk about by using these basic selectors. I'm just going to see some kind of designs. First, I want to talk about colors. After that, I want to talk about the backgrounds. Background colors, background images, background attachment, something like this, and colors. Generally, what is the people will call it as a color theory. What is a color theory? CSS color theory. What exactly colors are going to do for us? Generally, every web application need something called color. Without color, can we do anything? Definitely we can do anything. Definitely we need color. There are a lot of ways are there to add a color to a website. But one more question is that we have a lot of websites are there. Every website is having same color? No, they different websites are having different color combinations. We know some color names actually. We can go with the color names, color codes. Generally we have color names we can use, or we can go for color codes. Actually color code, some color different color codes are there, but all are not required. Don't worry, I will tell you some of the color codes and we can go with them. And sometimes what the customers will say, they will show us a website. From there, what is the colors they used, they will ask us to use the same color. Then we have a question, how can we pick that color code from that particular website? What is the color they used in their website? So we have to identify the color. Sometimes there is an image. In image we have different colors. Image will be there. Particular portion of the color I want to get it. So how can we get the particular portion of the color and all? We have to check it. So if you can see color names, okay, for how we can identify the color names, there is a small add-on on the browser. If you can install that add-on on the browser, we can identify which color that button was, which color this paragraph tag is, and all we can identify. So you know colors, right? We know red color. These are the name of the colors. I mean, we have color attribute. So as of now, we used, I think, let me open our code lastly what we used there. So we have color attribute, we given red color or we given some other color. I think you already seen them, right? So this is exactly, let me open the latest file. Can you see here we have a color property with value red. Guys, color name you can give in lowercase letters or you can use capital letters also, no problem. But my suggestion, always try to go with lowercase letters because it is a common format, everybody will do the same. So red, green, so blue, um, red, green, blue. What else we are having? Yellow, BLACK, block, gray, ORANGE, orange. So what else we know? So these are the some color codes we are having. WebGR. So in this WebGR, VOILET, violet color, and some colors will be there, right? Yeah, definitely. So what else do you know? The color names. These are the general and regularly used color names, guys. Here. So now you can see. I will tell you some of the things. Do you know tomato? Tomato. Tomato color, guys. Nothing but the vegetable tomato. What is the color of the tomato? The same color. We can provide the color name like this also. That's also okay. We have blue color, right? There is a something called DOD Dodger blue. DODGR Dodger blue. This is one color. Light blue, right? We are writing light green. Okay, we can write the color combinations like this also. Green and light green. Now you can check this. I'm just going to come down. Color we given, right? Color is going to be green. I'm going to provide the green color. So let me run this file. If you can run this file, can we see color is green? Yeah, color is green. Now you can add something called light green also. LIGHT, light green I'm adding. Now you can see this is the light green color. We have yellow, light yellow. Light red is there? I don't know. Let me try with light red. Right? We know red color with a light red. I think it's not there, maybe I believe. So it is not applying. If it is a valid one, definitely it will be applies twice. Now, if you can simply take red color, now you can see it is applied. If you can go with the tomato, 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 now you can see this is red. This is tomato, somewhat change it little bit difference while you practicing. Add the color red, add the color tomato, and you can see the difference there exactly. What is the difference we are having there? So like this blue color, Dodger blue. Let me read this as a blue. Yeah, this is a blue. Now you can see some of the color names are there, guys. They are predefined. DODGR Dodger. Now I'm refreshing the page. Yeah, this is some light. That is the meaning of Dodger blue. So like this, we are having so many color names. You can go to any of the website so that you will find there, right? So we have SLAT, slate blue also there, I believe. SLAT, slate blue. This is the slate blue color. So yeah, this is the not blue directly. This is just slate blue, gray color, violet, light gray. So like this, we are having so many color names, guys, here. So if you want, you can Google for it. Almost all, I'm thinking 140 color names are there. Around 140 color names are there. 1 minute, let me go for the reference. But you don't need to remember all the things, guys. Okay, don't try to remember. CSS color names list. Okay, let us go for it. Okay, you can check anywhere. W3 schools are anywhere. Just you can see there are a lot of color names are there. Aqua, yeah, these are all the color names, guys, here, and their color codes. This is the color code below, and this is the color code. LS blue, aqua white. Okay, there are a lot of things are there. You can check this. Almost all, I think these are 140, I believe. I don't know exact color. Is there anything? Yeah, exactly. They given 140 color names are there approximately in the theory, guys, right? But don't worry. But I will tell you a easy way. No one knows the color codes, guys. Everybody is it is difficult. But we need to know some of the standard color names. What is the color code for white? What is the color code for red? Color code for blue? These standard things you have to know. That's all. That's enough, guys. Okay, right, this is exactly the colors names. So we can add a name. Right, now you can see I'm going to take a color name. As of now we provided, right? Okay, let me do one thing. Color is going to be white. Okay, color white. For this, I'm writing a property called background hyphen color. This is the CSS property I didn't use now. So I'm just using this background color of the color. I mean the color of the text. Background color is, now you can see, if you can provide background color as red, can you see section box? Now you can go and check this. Now you can see it was red color with white text. If you are not providing any color, by default that is going to be black color. Now you can check this, it is going to be black. So color block red. So you have to decide if you want to take some background color, what is the color text, what is the color of the text. If you can take that will looks good. We have to think this is our choice as a designer, or else we have to see some other website, right? So You can check this. This is exactly, I'm just adding the color, right? Just you can, sorry, color code also you can add it, right? Now you can refresh the page. Now this is exactly perfect. So here I provided the name of the color. See the color, you can color attribute, background color, or some other, whatever it may be, you can provide color name. Or else I'm going to the second way, color code. I'm going to provide you F00. F00 is a red color code of the red color. Now you can see nothing changed inside of it. Now you can see I'm writing double F0. If you, it may be yellow, I believe. Yeah, background color is yellow and color text is white. So now I'm writing F0 F. I'm writing F0, guys, not F0 F. This is a somewhat different color we are getting. Now you can write this. I'm writing 1 2 3. Okay, let me see. Oh, some color is there. Can you see, guys, here? This is not dark. 1 2 3 color. So actually this coding is called hexadecimal color codes, right? Let us see. I'm writing the word hexadecimal color codes. Hexa, DECIML, decimal color codes. See, well, color codes, exactly. This is hexadecimal color code. Hexadecimal color codes are start with a hash followed by 6 digits totally, or 3 digits, sometimes 3 digit, 3 digit, or sometimes it may be 6 digit, guys. Okay, right, you can see here I'm going to provide you all zeros. If you can provide all 6 zeros, total should be 6 after hash. It is going to give you black color, complete color black. If it is everything is a zero, now you can check this. I'm going to provide this as a 6 zeros. Now you can check this. If you can refresh, completely black color will be there on the screen. Exactly. So now can I provide 7894 4 digit only? I'm not providing 6 or 3. I'm providing 4, 7894. You are getting some other color. Okay, you are getting some other. I'm just going to take hash 45. I'm taking this 45. Are you getting anything? So your text is there. Maybe I'm going to take this as a 01. Let me take this as a 01. I just want to take it as a 01. If you can take 01, are you getting anything? It is giving you white background, guys. Do you know the color is white? Actually, sorry, color is white. That's why it is not giving you anything on the screen, background color. So now I'm going to take 78945, 5 digit I'm taking. So is there any color? No, you are not getting. 3 digit you are getting. 4 digit also you are getting. Now you can see, let me take the 4 digit 4563. Now I'm taking something. Yeah, you are getting some color. If you can take 4 or 3. Now you can see this time I'm taking 1 2 3 ABC. I'm taking color codes like this, 1 2 3 ABC. Now you can refresh the page. Some color is coming. So can I take more than 7, more than 6? This is 6, right? Now I'm taking some more characters like this. Will it work? Definitely it won't work. It should not exceed more than 6, exactly 6, 4 or 3. It will be works for you. But maximum we will always go with the 6 digit only, guys, here, right? Okay. Here you can see you taken A. I'm taking A 3 times A. This is the color. 6 times A. I think you will get the same. Nothing difference is there, right? Now you can see I'm taking AF, AF. I'm taking some color code like this. Can you see? I'm getting the same color. Nothing difference is there. Okay. Let me go and take this A4. I'm taking something like this. Can you see? You're getting something. A4. A4. Okay. Now you can refresh the page. You are having some color code like this, background color. So now I'm going to take a red F00 is a red color. Now you can see this is a red color, or double F0 double F double zero double zero. Now you can check this. This is also the red color, 6 digit or 3 digit way. Exactly. So, but try to remember some of the standard codes. If you can write all F, triple F, it is going to be white background, completely white color, triple F. If you can write 6 zeros or 3 zeros, it is completely dark color. Right, so now you can see what we understand. Hash 000 completely black, BLACK black. Hash triple F is a completely white color. Standard color codes, right? These are all red. Hash F00 is a red color. You want to get yellow, hash F0F. F0F. You can write capitals or anything. So now it is going to be yellow color, something like this. We have a lot of things, a blue color or 00F. Now you can write this as a 00F. Now I'm writing this as a 0FF. I'm writing 0FF. Let me check this. What is the color you are going to get there? Yeah, this is some other color we are getting. So now you are writing this as a 00F. Now you can see it is blue color actually. So like this, we just need to know some color codes. I too don't know, guys. Here I'm trialing. I'm doing some trial and error. So whatever the color I'm getting, I'm telling you the same. Seriously says you need to play the same story, guys. You can add this number and the range, guys. Here, hexadecimal color code. I told you, right? Hexadecimal color code means here. Can I take numbers 0 to 9? Here you can take 0 to 9 any number. If you want to add character inside of it, a character range should be A to F only. A to F only. I mean, what I want to tell you here. So for example, you are taking this as a D4, 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 light gray color. Light or somewhat little gray color will be there. Yeah, this is the gray color. So this is how we are getting. You can see some other color. I'm going to take 4, 5, 6. TRE something. Can I use TRE? No, you cannot use T and R. Why? Because the range is A to F only. So hexadecimal color code means it's a length 6 digit. You have to use 0 to 9 any number, and you have to use characters from A to F only. You cannot use any other than this. Exactly. So this is what exactly the colors, guys. Right. One more thing is going to be RGB color code. Can you see? This is also very important. We can use hexa color codes, or we can use one more thing called RGB color codes. Now you can see this is RGB. RGB. So RGB is a function, CSS function to append the color code. RGBA is also a function. RGB or RGBA. You can use any one here for making colors to an element. I think you will seriously, you can understand. R means red, G means green, blue means B means blue. This is RGB. Here same RGB. A means some kind of opacity. What is a opacity? I will talk about, right? So now you can see RGB have function. This is having three parameters actually. Now you can pass 0 comma 0 comma 0. Can you tell me what is the color you may get it if I pass all zeros? Definitely it is going to be what it is going to be. Now you can see I'm changing the XR to RGB is a function. In this I'm passing 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. Now all three zeros, exactly three parameters only how to pass. You cannot pass more than that. RGB 0 0 0 3 red. This is first is red, second is green, third one is blue. All are zeros. Now you can see it is going to be black color. The range is going to be 0 to how much number we can take, sir? The range exactly 255. I believe 255 comma 255 comma 255 I'm taking. Let me see. It is white background color. So all zeros means black color. All two, it is, you cannot take more than 255. Now you can see I'm taking 300 comma 300 comma 300. Can we take like this? So are we getting anything? By default white background is getting, you're not getting anything. The range of the RGB color code is 0 to 255. In this you can take anything. Now you can see 75, 100 and 69. Some number I taken, random number. I don't know what is the background color. Some background color definitely will come there. So you see, guys, nothing. We are purchasing three paint bottles, red, green, blue. We are mixing in the composition 75% red, 100% green, 69% blue. So if you can mix them, this is the color is going to be generated to you. Exactly. So this is called color composition or color theory. Exactly how the color theories will be work like this, guys. This is opacity. For example, if you can take RGBA, now you can see the opacity range is going to be 0 to 1. 0 to 1. You cannot provide. Now I'm providing 1. Now you can check this. Nothing changed. If you can provide 0, now you can see it is not getting anything. So now you can provide this as a 0.5. You can see opacity, some I cannot say exact this word. You will understand. Transparent, guys, actually. Transparent background, something called. From a window, we are seeing something outside. So the window have a block film, so it will look like a transparent background, whatever we want to say. Yeah, so now you can check this. If you can increase the value 0.8, now you can see slowly you will get the things back 0.9. So I will use this in upcoming sessions, don't worry, so that you will get more clarity, right? So this is called opacity range will be from 0 to 1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 to 0.91, we can take it exactly. So this is RGBA RGB. Let me show you some CSS RGB color codes we are having anywhere here, right? CSS RGB color, right? RGB color. So you can go there, RGB color codes, how they will be added. Can you see this is RGB, red, green, blue. The range 255, 0 and 0. Maximum you have to take this guys here 255, 255, and minimum is going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, something like this exactly. Just you can go, you can refer any of the website. Can you see here they given a color picker tool also. If it is a 0, red is 0 and a green is 0, I'm making everything is 0. Now you can make blue also 0, everything is dark. Now you can drag this everything right side completely, everything completely right side. Now it is going to be white background color. Now you can see I moved everything, that is a white background color. Now I'm reducing this, I'm making exactly middle and middle and middle. This is some color, just now we added something there. Now you can see some different color compositions are coming. Now very nice this is, I believe, somewhat, right? This is red, or else you can make something like this pink color and its composition. And you can see that exactly if you can change the value of it, how these things are going to be works for you exactly. I'm increasing the red or decreasing the red, some blue color composition. Which composition is more, that thing will become there 255 and 193, these mixing, right? Red composition is 0, I mean simply says we didn't mix the red color here, we mixed green and blue color. So after that we are getting this background color there. Okay, just you can also play with this. This is the RGB code. You want to get this RGB code, copy this RGB code and paste here. So like this we can go for Google and we will find the RGB color codes, whatever the color code you like, and we can bring, and if you can refresh, you can see I'm also getting the same color code, right? Exactly guys, right? So this is how we can make the things properly like this, right? The color codes and simply says the color theory will be like this exactly, background and all, right? Okay, so we have a lot of things are there guys, colors. I don't know how many color compositions are there, right? If we can go like this, we may find a lot of colors, but all are not at all required guys, because seriously, we don't know all the color names. Then how to get the color names, sir? Right? Remember, for example, I went to W3 schools. What is the background color of this menu, right? I installed one tool guys in my browser. Now you can check this, the tool name is going to be color picker. There you can see there is a tool called Colorzilla or color picker. Right now you can see, I will just show you here. Now go to Google, color picker add-on for Chrome or Colorzilla, whatever it may be. Now you can see color pick eyedropper, Colorzilla, whatever it may be. Now you can see I have a picker. For example, I'm going to a website guys. Okay, you can go to any of the website, but I just want to find the color eyedropper.org, whatever it may be. Can you see? I want to know the background color of this menu. Now you can see there is a color picker. My extensions in the browser, I clicked on it. Now you can see whenever you are moving the mouse on the screen, correct? For example, I'm moving the mouse here. If you can move the mouse, what is the color code of it? Oh, it is giving me dark color only. So now you can check this. You can go to some other. Now I went on Google. I went on E, in the Google E, that is a red color. I'm going to G. Now you can see there is a tooltip is coming there and it is displaying the colors. Whenever you are moving the mouse on the screen, it is going to provide you the background color. This is the menu background color guys here. If you want to know, you can click on it. So this is the color picker. Just now you clicked, right? Color picker, right? So this is the name of the color code, and this is, you want to RGB color or you want to HSL color, or these are the RGB color codes guys. Exactly, this is the color code they used actually. Now you want to get this color, now you can go and you can add this hash the color code. I'm just adding this. Now if you can refresh, 75 be a 75, you can see you will also get the same. Where is this? Close it up. Yeah, now you can refresh the page. You can see you will also get the same background color. What is the color code you copied there? So the same. So what you need to do, nothing, just to go to Google, color picker add-on for Chrome. Now click on this extension, guys. This is a browser extension. Now add extension. It is already added to Chrome. Can you see? I think I added a ColorZilla. Sorry. Now you can see. Just click on add to Chrome. That's all. So once after add to Chrome, you can close the browser and they can come out of it. That's enough, right? Now you can see ColorZilla. One more thing, ColorZilla extension for Chrome. Now you can see Chrome extension ColorZilla. So it is also the same. It may be shown to me remove from Chrome. Why I'm getting remove from Chrome? This is already installed in my browser. That's why it is saying that remove from Chrome. Now you can see this is a ColorZilla, or else now you can remove from Chrome. The extension is removed. Extension is removed. Now we need to add, right? Same like Google. Now we can click add to Chrome. Like, let us see, it will ask you add extension. Click on add extension. So it will be added to the Chrome. Now you can see it was added here, I believe. So I need to see all the extensions. Now you can click on it. This is the ColorZilla extension. Just click on it. Now you can see when I'm moving the mouse on the screen, so the color picker is selecting the colors. This is the name of the color. This is the paper, and you can see the text color name and everything. Whenever you are moving the mouse on the screen, where is your mouse and what is the background color, that will capture automatically. That is the extension of this color picker. So we don't want to do anything there, right? Simply. So this is how we can identify the colors of some other website. For example, you are going to some other website or Google or youtube.com. Okay, I went to gmail.com. In gmail.com, I want to know the Gmail icon color. This is the Gmail icon. I want to know the color of this Gmail icon. All right, here we have Gmail icon. So now you can see I'm just going to click on extensions, pick the ColorZilla. Now you can see whenever you are moving the mouse, can you see I just taken my mouse to on G icon. That is actually an image. Now I clicked on it. This is the Gmail icon background. It is copied, guys. On click this, that will be copied. Add the color code. EA4335 is the Gmail icon background color. So this is how we can identify the colors. This is exactly the color of the Gmail, red color. There is a different color combination, right? I want that red only. I want that blue. Any other? Yeah, we can get like this exactly, guys, right? So this is exactly the concept of how we can capture the colors by using some third-party tools, right? So this is the background, guys. Here background is a property. By using background property, we are adding something like this. Okay, right? So let us work with backgrounds now. There is a background. It has a shorthand property, background color. Background image is a property, background image. Background position, background position, POSITION, position. Background attachment, ATTACHMENT, attachment. Background repeat, REPEAT, repeat. Yeah, so these are some properties. We have background size also. Background size, we have some properties which are related to background. CSS properties, all are CSS properties. So I think we seen background color. What is a background color? To add some color on the background, we can use background color property. What is background image? Background image. On a background, I want to add some image. How can we add some image on the background? Yeah, by using background image property. Background position of the image. Background attachment, the attachment you want to fix the or you want to move based on the content, that is called attachment. You want to repeat the image? No, I don't want to repeat the image. Background size of the image, you want to make the size of the image exactly fit to the screen or something. So by discussing theoretically, we may not understand about these properties. Let me talk about practically. So go to this and create a file. I'm just going to do something, CSS backgrounds. Let us write a file with name called backgrounds.html is a file. Let us remove all this stuff. I'm going to take it, right? I have only one box here. This is the box, dot box. I'm taking this as a byx box. Now you can check this dot box. First of all, I want to write two properties to this. Height is a property. Height of the box. Can you see? Height is going to be 400 pixels. Height will be measured in 400 pixels. Height, I didn't discuss about you, right? Height is a CSS property. Width is nothing but width of the box, 600 pixels I'm taking. Height is 600, width is height 400, width 600. Now you can run this. If you can check in the Chrome, are you able to see anywhere height and width? No, you are not able to see, right? Right, definitely you are not able to see the height and width. Why you are not able to see the height and width? At least you have to provide some background color. So otherwise, how do we know? Now you can see background color is going to be red. Now you can check this 400, 600, height is attached. Without height you cannot understand, guys, where how I mean, okay, you added height and width. Okay, for this, if you can add some background color or some border, so you will understand easily, right? So I'm going to take some. If it is background color is not required for you, there is a property called border, size of the border, color of the border, style of the border, solid red color, 10 pixel size, solid thickness, that is exactly, and red color is the name. Now you can see this will look like a border. This is exactly called a concept called border, exactly. So if you provided 10 pixels, right? Now I want to provide only 1 pixel. Now if we can provide 1 pixel, can you see the border is that is the size of the border. There is the size of the border. Now you can see I provided, oh, size, at least I want to provide you 5 pixels. Now you can check this. This is the 5 pixels border, thickness of the border, and the style of the border. What style you want to make? Solid? No, I have a property called dotted style. Solid is a predefined, dotted is also predefined. Now you can see this is the dotted border. What is the border you want to get it? Yeah, this is exactly called dotted border for you. So now you have something called dotted dashed, dashed, dashed. Now you can see this is called dashed border. You want to make throughout your line, that is solid. You want to make dots, dotted property. You want to make something called dashed, you can take something called dashed. 5 pixel dashed red. So there is a property called groove, Groove. Groove is a property. It will look like a frame, guys. Can you see? Okay, if it is the case, let me provide you 25 pixels border size. Now you can see it is the groove. It look like a frame. Can you see? For a photo or something like this, you may have some frame, right? So it is going to become like this. It look like a frame, exactly, right? So now you can check this, or else, you know, one thing, border applying all four sides, right? All four sides border is applying. You don't want to apply the border all four sides. Sir, I want to apply the border only one bottom. I want to apply border on only top, border only right, border only left. In this point of time, this border property is applying all the four sides. All the four sides. I commented. If you can comment, border is not applied. Now you want to apply the border. Now you can see I'm using a property called border. Here, border bottom. Okay, let me write the property called border bottom. This is the property border bottom. Border bottom 20 pixels. Okay, you can take a solid, solid, solid red. Now you can see border bottom only. You are able to see now. This is the border bottom. You want to make border top also. Now you can go and write the property border top. Border top, same 20 pixels, red, solid, exactly. Now you can check this semicolon should be at the end of it. So this is having three values actually: size of the border, and color of the border, and the thickness. Okay, you can take this, the style of the border, actually it is going to be red. Now you can check this. I think it is going to be works for you properly. Top and border. You want to make left and right? Yeah, you can make left and right also. Border left, what you want to make it? 20 pixels, blue. This time I'm taking the color code is different. Solid, blue, blue. Refresh the page. Spell mistake here. Make sure there is no spell mistakes, right? This is exactly the thing. So you want to make some other color this side. Now this is going to be green. I'm making this as a GREN, green. Now this is going to be left to right, RIGHT, right. Now you can see right side is going to be green, top bottom. You want to make any other colors, yeah, of your choice completely. So we can make the colors like this, guys, exactly. So this is the border and its style. So you made it something. I want to make something called dotted. Now you can see bottom is going to be dotted. You want to make top border left is going to be DASHED, dashed. Now you can see that is a dashed border. So that is solid only. This is going to be groove, GROOVE, groove. Now you can see right side is going to be groove. So all, whatever you want, that is of your skill, how to apply the colors, what you want to make the things and all. So these are the common values. We don't have any other values, guys. So sometimes you may ask us, sir, I need a frame like this. Now you can see in CSS, I will show you CSS border, BORDERS, borders. Let us show you. Let us go for some images. Now, border images. We can find some images for the borders, guys, actually. Border images, IMAGES, images. Now you can check this. Yeah. Can you see here? I'm looking very nice border. Can you see this is the border, this image? I think you can see. Sir, can we get this border, sir? No, remember that is the image. That is not the style of, there is no property in the CSS. That is the style. That is an image, actually, border image. We will talk about that too also, right? So now you can see all the things are going to be, some different styles are there, and this may be exactly we're expecting this type of the thing. Actually, this is related to an image. This is not the part of our CSS. That won't come to you directly there, right? Can you see this is very nice, right? They made it very good border here, right? Bottom yellow, left, right, top, and you can see this is not image. We can do it. This is not image. We can do it. Otherwise, you made it something called dotted, right? This is dotted. Everything you can take solid. I'm taking everything as a solid only. SOLID, solid. You can take this also solid. Everything is going to be SOLID, solid. Now you can check this. If you can go and check this. Okay, where is this? This is the file, right? Yeah, everything is solid. Now you can see for this, actually how the borders curved. There is a property, guys, actually border radius is a property. RADIUS, radius is a property. If we can provide you 25 or 30, now 25 percentage I'm providing you. Now you can check this. It may be look somewhat curved. Now you can see this is exactly there, you are able to see, right? It was curved border, exactly like this, guys. We can make like this also. uh, if you want, you can make equal height, equal width. Now you can see 400 by 400. Now you can see it will be like this. If it is 100% or 50%, now you can make 50%. Now you can see border radius, it will become circle. Can you see? That is called border radius. Actually, by using a border property, we can just add a border to a box. If we can increase the radius, size of the radius, that will automatically becomes something. The border radius property we can take into percentages, or we can take into pixels also. For example, 20, you can see 50 pixels I am taking. If you can take 50 pixels, it may not be a circle, complete circle. Can you see? It was simply like this. It is not circle completely. 50%, 50% you can take. Percent is more than pixel, guys, right? Now it will become circle. Now you want to take this as a 125 pixels, maybe it may become some shape to you. Yeah, it is not done so. Now I want to make this as a 200, right? To refresh the page, now it is little bit. I'm taking this as a 250. Now you can check this 250 pixels. If we can take it, becomes circle. But if it is a percentages case, that is very easy, right? It will go in a very nice manner. Now just by providing 50 percentage, now we can go with it. I will tell you when to take percentages, when to take pixels. Don't worry, we will see this. No need to worry about it, right? So this a circle becomes something like this, guys. Exactly, you can see the circle was becoming, sorry, the square was becoming something like this. Exactly, we can make like this, guys. This is valid thing. So because of the border property, we are able to make the things. Border is a property, border radius is a property. So this is border top, border bottom, border left, all the borders. Whenever you want to work with the borders, yeah, this is going to be help us a lot. Okay, now, right. So, okay, don't worry. Tomorrow we'll talk about the backgrounds. Okay, backgrounds I want to talk about, as well as padding and margin. This is one of the very important concept, guys. Paddings, margins, 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 and backgrounds. First, let us talk about background. Once that is completed, we can talk about padding and margin. Okay, that we can see tomorrow.